guys, Trisha here, and today I'm playing Horse Riding Tales. So it's been a long time since I recorded a Horse Riding Tales video. So in the last Horse Riding Tales video, I was just level 22. Now I'm actually level 30. Oh, guys, she has my second favorite Pegasus. Guys, this Pegasus is so rare because I only have one orb and I love that horse so much. It's like my second favorite Pegasus. My favorite Pegasus is the one I'm riding right now, which is Starlight. So I'm going to show you guys all my horses for today's video. And I'm going to change my club in the next video because today my club is named Mystical Unicorn, and then I will go to another club if I can in the next video. So we're in top 29 right now. So I think I'm not gonna change my club so far. So let's get on to the video. So the first horse is right here, which is Magic, which is my unicorn. And then Goldie. Okay, wait. Which is my golden Mustang. Sorry guys if it's very laggy. Here's Goldie. Then Aliana. Then, which is the, okay, I'm not going to show you guys the breed of these horses, but Magic is a unicorn, Goldie is a Mustang, golden Mustang, and Aliana is a white Arabian. Next is Kayla, which is my Piebald. Next is Ariana, which is one of my favorite horses. Like my very first, I think, epic. No, I think my second epic. My very first epic is Goldie. Next is Buttercream. I know, very strange name. So this is Buttercream, which is the Palomino. Next is Stone, which is the Silver Mustang. Next is Jewel, which is the Charmed Raven. And that way, I think a YouTuber named this horse the same name that I picked. I think it's another Crystal. And I did not copy her. I did it first. I named this horse first before her. Next is Ember, which is my fire horse, like Ember Flame, not Amber. It's Ember. Next is Crystal, which is, if you saw on the last Horse Riding Tales video is Oceana, but now she is Crystal. And now we have Coco. And that way, guys, you guys would question how I changed Oceana's name. So I actually sold her and got her again and then named her. Next is Brownie, which is my brown Arabian. And then Creamlight, which is my common. And then Silver. Liliana, of course, I think you guys would know this horse. It's my favorite horse when I just started Horse Riding Tales. And then I got from the club chest yesterday, which is Gold Fade. I know, kind of weird name, but I think she's like a gold horse, but it's just faded, you know. So this is the Fleabin Arabian. Yeah. And then we're going to go in the next. And guys, guys, my name is Luna Cadence. I changed my name. Before, my name was Caitlin Rain. I know. Okay, we're here. So this one is Hannah, which is my Frisian, my wavy Frisian. She is so beautiful. She's more bigger than the other horses that has no wings, like non-Pegasus. Next is my very first Pegasus that I caught is Pearl. This should be Oceana, so that's why I changed Oceana's name to Crystal, because this should be Oceana, but I don't want to like sell her and then get her again because she might not show up again. Next is Lava. I got her or him in the bronze whistle. So you can see, guys, in the daily reward, in 3 days or 2 days, I will get my bronze whistle. But I don't have all the rares, like untamable rares. So, and uncommon. So I think I have this one, which is Coco. I don't have this one. Before I had all the uncommon and rares, but I sell them. So this is Choco, which I don't have anymore. And this is, oh, I had this before, which is Olivia. I sold her too. And then, which is Eartha. I don't have her anymore. And then Smoke or Thunder. Acacia. Smoke. And this is Thunder, by the way. And I don't have this one, I think. And that is Barnaby. Next horse is Midnight, which is my second Pegasus that I caught. And Sarah. This should be Midnight, but I don't know what name I should choose for the black Pegasus. So this is Sarah, the night Pegasus. And yes, it is lagging. Next is Starlight, my favorite Pegasus for now. So before I said this was my favorite Pegasus, but actually I can't pick between the two. Like I said, I really love this one. She's really pretty, she's pastel, but this one is so pretty too. It's purple, my favorite color. But I think this one is my new favorite Pegasus. So this is my goal to get her, but earlier I saw this horse, which is Starlight, that needed only 1 orb, and then of course I used it before I saw a tawny Pegasus and I used my one on it, and then later on I saw a white Pegasus and I only need 1 orb, but I don't have any. So it's like the white Pegasus is very rare if you don't have like any orbs, or if you thought that after you made one it will spawn again, but it will not. It's very rare, guys. It's more rarer than this purple fantasy horse. The last horse is Blue, which is put a saddle on Blaze, my fire Pegasus. So if you didn't notice, guys, Starlight is actually level 140. Oh, got wild mode on Starlight right there. We can say 140. So guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Please remember to Hit that like button, subscribe to become one of the supporters, and hit that notification bell to become hashtag notification squad. Bye guys, bye!